Hello everybody, unboxing part 2. It's a Monday. Haven't recorded any videos in like almost a full week. Been taking like almost a full week off because I'm sick, and I'm still sick, still recovering. It's not fun at all. Very stuffed up, very messed up. Not fun. Being sick is never fun, and it always happens at the worst possible times. I always get sick I always get like really badly sick at least like once a year. So hopefully this is the one time. Like, I think last year I don't even think I got sick, and like the year before, like past couple years I've been good, but like this year, I don't know, maybe it was because I went out to Blues Fest. I don't know what happened, but so yeah, I haven't been uploading, haven't even gone on my channel, but gonna get back into it today. Monday nights, my grind. No video for Monday, I don't think. There might have been one pre-planned, but I don't remember. I'll have to go double check that. And that's pretty much, yeah, all the update. So this is unboxing part 2 from this luxury online fashion emporium. I like their branding. And then Satire. I think that's how you say it, Satire. It's a store from Italy. I got an order and they sent in 2 separate shipments. I haven't finished making the other video. I did try on the pants, but I ended up wearing them one night that I started getting sick because I was so cold. I like just threw on the first pants I felt, so I was kind of in the first pants I saw, so I was kind of in like a different state of consciousness anyways, so it's not like I even realized what they were like, so I'm still going to try them on. And I don't know if I'm going to make these two separate videos, probably 2 separate videos. So this is going to be the unboxing part 2. It's going to be a full video just for this one product that they sent separate, and yeah, I like their little like motto, luxury fashion emporium. So Satire.com, straight from Italy. They got all the nice fashion out there. I was gonna buy this. I spoiled it. I was gonna buy this item full price from somewhere in Canada. Then I ended up spotting it on this site. Waited a couple months. It was still there. I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'll save myself $100. Order from this store. All the duties and everything were included, so that's always nice to know. It's really nice. So this store's another good one to shop from. Slam Jam was also pretty good, but I got charged duties, but they're like pretty reasonable though. Like, they weren't crazy. Come on. Excusez-moi. Whoa, loud car. Okay. Ooh. Really like this box too. Gonna keep this up for decoration as well. You know me. I love all my decorations. We got the code on here. And then ruby eyes. So that's the design way for this one. The green ruby eyes wallet is a lot, like the design's way more cool and like the snake through it. But oh yeah, spoiled it again. It's a wallet, Comme des Garçons wallet. So yeah, the green one, it had like better snake design, but it was like double the price. It was like $600. This one was $300 retail. I was like, or like $350 retail. So I was like, that's a bit better. I think I got it for like $180 on sale. Made in Spain. Very nice. I don't know why this one took longer to ship, but very beautiful box. I love that abstract art, and the gray like off-white colors are nice too. Open it up. A little smaller than I expected from the first glance. Ooh, yeah, definitely smaller than I expected. I thought it was gonna be like a thicker wallet, like rounded edges, not stitched off edges. Maybe like when I was looking at pictures of the green one, I think the green one, that's why it's like double the price, because it's actually like 2 times the size. It like stays thick the whole way through, and then it's rounded off edges. But this is nice too because it's very slick, very easy to put in your pocket instead of a giant like wallet. You know, I'm more minimal, and it's only a corner zip as well. That's something else that I'm noticing about this bad boy. Okay, let me look at the outer construction first. So just a cardboard box, nothing special, no like foam, and then some simple wax paper, whatever you call it, tissue paper. On the outside, you see the beginning of this snake. It's just a nice, it's just a print, but I think it's a high quality, like laser type print, like a very nice ink. And it's even like kind of reflective possibly. Maybe it'll reflect in the lighting. I don't know, but it looks like a nice quality print. And then you got this beautiful, beautiful baby blue stitching throughout. This like baby blue kind of color throughout. That's what they called it, just baby blue, right? Where's the label? Label. Wait, isn't the label on it? Oh yeah, there it is. Blue. They just called it blue. Oh, well, I call it baby blue. And then you got that light baby blue snake, and it's got this mesh, also kind of like not the same color as the stitching, but a lighter kind of like, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different shades of blue all together. And then I don't know if, I think this like leather strap ribbon type thing on the YKK copper zipper there, I think that's like a different shade also. So that's crazy color design. Yeah, I think it's a slightly different shade, or it's just the material makes it look different, but it might be the same color as the actual full wallet. Not 100% sure, but yeah, we got that YKK, we got that copper zipper throughout, and then we got the tag right here attached on a string. I love that when they don't just like jam it in with some plastic shit and the plastic gets, the tag gets stuck in it and like they poke holes through it. That's so dumb. I prefer just like a string, better for the environment, everything too. Reuse the strings if you want. Comme des Garçons. Haven't really tried much of their brand and product. I've heard lots of good things about the fashion. I've heard lots of good bad things about it. I've heard it's overhyped. I've heard good things about it. Heard good things about the shoes. I got my mom got me the cologne for Christmas, and you'll see that in my previous video. I'm also going to be doing a review on the Cause Comme des Garçons cologne. So I'm just like testing out their kind of like stuff. Maybe I'll get more into it later on. Who knows? You'll have to see how I like the brand. And my camera just fell. So we'll have to see how I actually like the brand and if I want to get more into it, because I know they got a lot of clothes. I was actually tempted to buy the Converse, the blue high tops, but my size sold out right away. I was actually really, really tempted to get those, but oh well. So yeah, I don't know. There's lots of opportunities. This brand does a lot of stuff. I've heard lots of good, lots of bad. Sometimes people say it's a ripoff. Some people say it's good quality. I don't know. So I got to test it out for myself, of course. And to me, it looks good. It's made in Italy and all that stuff, like the real stuff. 100% cowhide, or made in Spain. Like it's made where all the good stuff is made. You know what I mean? It's like, it's got to that brand name for a reason. It got that expensive for a reason. So yeah, you open it up and I don't even know what's going on. Oh, it's an apple. I didn't know it had an apple in it. So I never actually got to see like the inside of this thing, because I could never find any pictures of the inside of this one. But I could find a bunch of like pictures of the green one, the inside of it. And oh yeah, I forgot, I also wanted the Comme des Garçons Supreme one with the eyes all over it. I also really wanted that one. But yeah, I thought this was a bigger wallet, definitely, because there's just one card holder in the middle, that's all. And it's got like an apple design with the snake going through it. Do snakes eat apples though? And then, yeah, it's got the ruby eyes. So it's got ruby encrusted snake in there. So that's pretty sick though. A very nice piece. I'm gonna see like how much I can actually fit in here. Like, bro, now I'm actually concerned. Like, am I gonna be able to fit all my stuff in here that I want, that I normally put in my wallet? I'm gonna have to investigate that. And then it's Comme des Garçons, made in Spain. You got that embossed right there in the gold detailing. And you see the snake going all around in there and going through the worm. Maybe it's just supposed to be a worm. No, it's definitely a snake. It's got like the snake tongue. But yeah, I never saw the full picture of it, so I didn't know what it was like inside. You get like this nice, like hard, leathery, velvety type feeling for the inside of the card holder. And this nice leather. Pretty much all. I'm gonna have to put some cards in it. And then you guys can also check out the preview. I always do a close-up at the end of my videos, if you didn't know, so go check that out. I always put timestamps in my videos too, so if you just want to skip all my blobbering and going through the products, you can go right to the previews. I do a close-up with lighting, with the macro lens, all the good stuff, so you can see all the details. I always want to show people what the product actually like, so you don't end up being like me, buying this thing, and then you're like, wait a second, this is not what I expected at all, or it's like completely different, or not, like, I don't know, there's all different things. You just can't really tell from the pictures they take a lot of the time, and a lot of times the pictures they take are just trash. I don't even know, like, there's so much to it. That's why I do the preview. And it's just a vibe. So if you like, check that out. Put the preview at the end of my videos. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully you like this product. I like it too. It's nice how it's thin, because it'll fit with my Supreme bag. So I got all the blue going. I even got the keychain right here. So I got all my blue accessories. It's very hype, very fire. I'm excited for this wallet. It's gonna be very nice for dinner nights, any kind of fancy nights. Not gonna be like really flexing it too hard, because I don't want to bring this everywhere. I'm not trying to lose it, but yeah, because it was an expensive cop. Never thought I'd spend a lot on a wallet, but you know, I'm into the fashion now, and I like the detailing on it. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll get to come to Garçons full wallet in the future. That'd be dope. Peace.